Business videos are too long. We cut out the fluff and give it straight up. Today, we break down the best online businesses to start as a beginner in 2025. Greg walks through 3 specific business models that are beginner-friendly, low-risk, and proven to work because he's done them all himself, generating over $3 million in profit. Let's get into it. First up is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or Amazon KDP. This is the easiest online business to start if you have zero experience. KDP allows you to create and sell books on Amazon without writing full novels, things like journals, daily planners, logbooks, or even puzzle books. It's low effort because once you upload the files, Amazon takes care of the rest. Everything from printing, shipping, and even customer service. You just create the front and back cover, format the inside pages, and upload everything. That's it. It's low-cost, scalable, and totally hands-off once set up. There's a free tutorial linked in the description that shows you step-by-step how to create and publish your first book. Second in Greg's list is Print on Demand. This is one step up from KDP but still beginner-friendly. Instead of books, you create custom t-shirt designs and sell them through platforms like Shopify or Etsy. Same as Amazon, all you do is upload your design, set your price, and when someone buys it, the supplier prints and ships the shirt. You have no inventory and no shipping headaches. If you're worried about not having design skills, don't be. There are free design tools where you can choose templates, customize text, and swap out graphics easily, even with zero experience. Third and final on the list is affiliate marketing. This one's the hardest to start, but it has the highest earning potential. Here's how it works. You recommend a product, someone buys it through your referral link, and you earn a commission. The strategy shared by Greg is that you create simple review or recommendation videos on YouTube, like Best Fishing Rods for Beginners. You don't need a big audience, as even small channels with just a few hundred subscribers can make money from affiliate commissions. Just show or talk about products you already own and link to them in your video description. All of these options are capable of generating a 6-figure income. It's all about the effort you put into each that will determine how much money you can make. That's your short summary of the video, where we only give you the actual value. For the full video by Greg, check the description. And if this helped, make sure to subscribe for more time-saving breakdowns of the best business content online.